Oh, so I'm doing a run right now. I forgot to record the other parts, but I'm on floor 5 right now. So young. And that's just gambles for those items and everything. Oh, hell no. And BTW, y'all, I will tell you when the main spawns. Well, I am very close to getting Sprout. I'm like at 48. I don't know how much more I need, but I think I'm pretty close. I think I just need like 52 more research. And that's why I'm recording right now. And yes, I am a dainty sporaholic. Oh, and Byler is able to chat with me. AKV. If he's the only one that. Oh shit. BTW, y'all, I almost choked on my own rubber bands. Now that's what I mean. Now they're yummy. Berber. So y'all, I got juicy like yesterday. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? I've learned that you can. This is my button. I'm scared. Cause the show, keep it all inside, cause the pain and the shame, keep it all inside, cause you're mother, and I had her, cause you gave me a honey on here. Cause you gave me a honey on here for your soul, cause you're the only one for me. The voice can't talk for way beneath my skin. Hands of Gabriella. The hands of Gabriella. Cause I'm begging you, oh young, cause hands of Gabriella. Yeah, no, I'm like getting in that dishwasher. Oh, wait. I'm sorry, people. Oh, and last month I got, Astro and Pebble on the same floor, but I died from Astro. think that's on 415. Bro, get in the young elf. Why do we need? Wait, what? Wait, decreases? I didn't know that decreases. I could have taken the hill if I didn't know that decreases. Ooh, art. Oh, hell no, I hate these symbols. I'm kidding, actually, I'm kidding. Ooh. Ooh, machines. Cause I'm begging you, oh darn, cause I'm so scary. Ooh, five. Cause I'm begging you, I don't. Cause I'm so scary. Minecraft. Oh wait, no, I thought that looked like Minecraft for a second. Oh. Everybody, listening, come to Evator, Evator. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, totally. Why are you so gumbled all the time? Also, if y'all want to play with me, my username is angel_666. That's my display name. My real name is Ghost Cat. I want to find someone. Wait, what the hell? Oh, but that's wonderful. Guys, can you explain to me why I have more research on a main than bot? I'll keep you updated if I do get a main though. Ooh, wait, that's actually pretty cool. Okay, oh my god, wait, actually, these look yummy, not gonna lie. I would definitely eat some of those. Probably a pizza looks the most, in my opinion. But guys, comment down below, which one do you think looks the most yummiest for y'all on that menu? Hold up, I'll go back to it if you need to see it. Well, I swear to God, you are ruining my entertainment. Okay. So we have the airstroke cork cake on the menu. And then we have the person who we chopped off their head for. Then we have the Razzle and Dazzle pizza. Then we have Toodles. Which one would you like? Comment down below. Vault Junior. I'll get the elevator. I'm sorry y'all haven't been posting a lot. This will probably might be my first gaming video. Bro, they're the same set. Like, I didn't even press that. R4. I'm begging you. Oh, y'all. The Dandicus, I mean Dandy, the Dandy, the Dandy statue looks pretty cool. I'm just wondering about the Ichor hand. Also, about if you want to friend me, you won't be able to tell me unless you're in the 21 plus, near that age. This is, what the heck? Right when my machine was up. Juked. Oh shit. I just swallowed some rubber band. Hold on, I'll be right back. I just swallowed some rubber band. Actually, y'all, I'll be back another time. I'm gonna be AFK for a tiny bit more because I have to go to the bathroom. Bye bye. Okay, baddies, I am back. What the? How is the Tesla done? Ooh, what's on that? Oh shit! I am so sorry. Is this for gonna be complete? Honestly, y'all, I'll just do it because my skill check is good as hell. Oh shit, no, who's doing them? Yeah, honestly, that guy gotta be careful. Okay, that kind of tastes good. Testing different foods that are not palatable. Chapstick, 10th. No, first place. First place comes in, drum roll please. Chapstick and lip gloss. Okay, but y'all, you can't lie. Chapstick and lip gloss does taste good. And also, they come in very different flavors, honestly. Like the vanilla soda patties taste pretty good. I think I have the vanilla one. I'll just do that one for scratching too. Yeah! I am dancing is flower, and I will eat your soul if you don't give me time. I'm kidding. Wait, Shelly. No, I love you, Shelly. But Shelly's running in this paradise. Ooh, Dean. Okay, honestly, y'all, what's your favorite map? Also comment down below, because I want to know y'all's favorite maps. Mine and your favorite thing. Mine is Shelly, and I love Shelly's map. It's just so interesting. And my favorite character is Shelly. What's Paige? Okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, and I know I'm asking y'all a lot of questions to put down below, but do you guys like the age verification Roblox added? Because I don't really, because I didn't know this was coming, so I used my mom as it. Don't ask why. I didn't feel like giving Roblox my face. But then my friends used their faces, and we got put into a very different age groups. So and just for, and I might just, and I'm gonna blow out these people's names just for, actually, I'm gonna figure out how to blur things first. So, my beautiful baby. Sorry, y'all. My cow is just being scooped. Ooh, warehouse. No. 2 tones. 2 tones. Okay. Hey, goodbye. Razzle dazzle. Did I just hear Razzle and Daisy? Daisy, give me your A or do. I'm half crazy for the love of you. You copy and I in marriage if I could. E Ford, E carriage, funnel, the sleeve upon a bicycle stream. Give me your answer, do I'm half crazy for the love of you. It could be a stylish marriage if I could afford a car. 'Cause I'm gonna have a concert. What if you were scared and so was I? What if it happened you on a different day? On a bridge where there wasn't a rail in the way, or an anniversary where little kids play, or a angel crest in the snow and the rain. What if you were alone, no one knows where you are? What if you couldn't change anything? Would you have survived your life, your life, your life? No, Pebble! Wait, wasn't Pebble our distractor? Yes! Shelly! My Can I distract Shelly? Shelly. No, I hate you, Yada. I just want Shelly beside. Cause Shelly, I don't care about the machines. Okay, yeah, I might do some machines. I just want research on Shelly. Shelly. Mazik Tala, Mani Nino, Mani Nana. Oh, it's a key. Stop. Shelly, no, Shelly. I want Shelly. Oh, Shelly, you got some bricks. I need research. What if you were but your eye could if you changed anything? I just want some research on Shelly, Belly, Smelly, Telly, Kelly, Lovey. Bye. I feel like I'm gonna die right now because I just want to see how much money I have. And I kind of want to show y'all. I can't die, I guess. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll show you. And I'm gonna skip to when this floor is complete. Actually, no. No, I'm gonna shit. Y'all, I'm just gonna end the video. Actually, no, I'm not gonna end the video. I'm just gonna die. So yeah, sorry, I'm not so good. I'm not like those 458 plus or like those. I'm actually Shelly or Sprout. Okay, anyways. Just to go, it seems I have lots of right. What? Okay, so I have lots of right. Coca, Connie, Cosmo, Exon, Finn, Flutter, Gigi, Ginger, Kristen, Poppy, Razzle, Dazzle, Roger, Rudy, Scrap, Shrimp, Tegan, Tisha, Toodles, and Yada. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video now. Bye! Bye, lovelies. I love you so much. Mwah.